and they asked me to send me my commercial. I did not know how to reply. जहाँ पे deliverable की बात आई, in exchange with a product and no money included, that is barter. The purpose why we all did that chain giveaway was to increase engagement and followers, but that should be the worst decision of my life. I will get down to 40,000 because I genuinely want to work with them. Hello Munchkins, what is up? I hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be yet another Q&A video, but this one is special. So in the last Q&A video, which I recently did, I got a few questions on how to get branded deals, how to start off as a creator, what are a few things that we need to keep in mind before we start off, and all that basic stuff. So I thought why not I should combine all the questions and answer it in this video today. I asked you all on Instagram yesterday to drop your questions, and I have received tons of questions. I know a lot of small creators out there follow me, and if I'm able to help you guys in any way, I will be more than happy to do that. Also, I will be trying out a makeup look which is all over Instagram, where people create this colorful eye look using tissue paper. So I really want to give it a try and see if it works or not. And without any further ado, let's begin. Of course, I will start by priming my face. I will be using a silicone based primer for this. Which platform gives you more money, YouTube or Instagram? In my case, it should be YouTube, and I'll tell you guys why. So जब आप YouTube की वीडियोस बनाते हो ना, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत जाती है, because you are creating long form content 10 मिनट का or even maybe more, and of course brand will pay you more because of the amount of time effort that is going in that video creation. Of course editing भी होता है, which takes a long time, and YouTube से you also get paid by YouTube AdSense, so उसका भी additional money होता है. Of course there are a lot of people जिनका YouTube नहीं है, they are solely earning from Instagram, and they are actually earning pretty well, so I cannot comment for them, but in my case I earn more from YouTube because of AdSense, and even because of long form content, brands pay me more. This is the most asked question: which camera do you use to shoot your videos? I use the Canon EOS R. It is a mirrorless camera, and with that I use a Sigma lens. Earlier I used to use the Canon 80D, and with that I used to use the Canon 50mm 1.8 focal length, I guess. So that was my previous setup, but last year only I upgraded my equipment when I was a part of YouTube Next Up. The next question is how much to charge. Alright, so I'll be very honest, there is no fixed rule that you should charge this particular amount when you have 5,000 followers, or if you are around 1 lakh followers you should be charging this much. ऐसा कुछ fixed rule नहीं है. You charge according to your instincts. Alright, so when I started off as a creator, I had no clue at all कि मुझे कितना charge करना चाहिए, because I don't have anyone around me to help me with that, and I was very clueless. So the first collaboration that I got, it was from Plum Goodness, and they asked me to send me my commercial. I did not know how to reply. Instincts. So I went with my instincts. I think I charged around 2,000 rupees for a dedicated video, because back then I had, I guess, 10,000 subscribers something. And by no means I'm saying that if you have 10,000 subscribers, charge 2,000 rupees. This is the correct amount. No. If you think that your video quality is top notch, you're providing good content, your engagement is good, you can charge 8,000 rupees even if you are at 10,000 subscribers. The next question is, what is PR? So basically PR is a gift from a particular brand to a creator, and PR के exchange में कुछ भी deliverables नहीं होते हैं. It's just a gift. If you like the product, तो promote करो. If you don't like the product, don't promote. I do see a lot of small companies, startup brands, where वो email पे लिखते हैं PR, but जब product deliver हो जाता है creator को, they start texting you कि photos कब दोगे, reel कब दोगे, ये कब करोगे, वो कब करोगे. या तो आप ईमेल में साफ साफ लिखो that we want to send you a product, but in exchange we want a reel, we want a post, we want stories, blah blah blah. That is not PR. That is barter collaboration. जहाँ पे deliverable की बात आई, in exchange with a product and no money included, that is barter. So PR and barter collaboration are two very different things. PR में no deliverables, barter में deliverables in exchange of products. And normal paid collaboration में तो of course होता है कि आपको product मिलता है brand से and you create content for them and content creation के लिए you get paid. If you're a startup brand and you're watching this video, please be clear जब भी आप email लिखते हो. If you want deliverables, mention it as barter collaboration. But if you simply want to send the creator a gift, that would be PR. The next question is how to gain more followers on Instagram. सच बताऊं, अगर मुझे पता होता अभी मेरे million followers होते. I am still learning how Instagram works. It is very tricky to understand कौन सी वीडियो परफॉर्म कर रही है, क्यों परफॉर्म कर रही है, ऐसा मैंने क्या किया था उस वीडियो में कि लोगों को इतना पसंद आया. Now for example, I did this Instagram video जहाँ पे मैंने कैंडल को बुझा के उसके स्मोक से मैंने फिर से वो कैंडल जलाया था. नाउ आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट वीडियो टू गो वायरल एट ऑल. इट blew up on YouTube and Instagram for no reason and I still don't know ऐसा क्यों हुआ. According to my experience, जो वीडियोज़ में सबसे ज़्यादा कम मेहनत लगती है, senseless videos, entertaining videos, funny videos work the best on internet. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, तुक्के से चल गई तो चल गई, बट यूजुअली नहीं चलती हैं एंड दैट कैन बी वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग, वेरी डिसहार्टनिंग बिकॉज आई हैव बिन देयर. स्ट्रेस मत लो, जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, इन्जॉय योर कंटेंट. चल गई वीडियो तो चल गई, नहीं चली तो यू शुडंट फील बैड कि यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी और नहीं चली वीडियो. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम एंड ऑफ कोर्स ट्रेंड को फॉलो करो. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई कैन एडवाइज. Alright, so the next question is, every time I upload a video on Reel, it loses its quality. How should I upload video without losing quality? The best tip I will give you is export your video high resolution में, कि अगर आप Instagram में upload भी करोगे and वो quality degrade भी होगी, it shouldn't look bad. तभी भी क्लैरिटी रहेगी एंड शार्पनेस. सो मेक श्योर टू एक्सपोर्ट योर वीडियोज़ इन हायर रेजोल्यूशन. प्लीज़ टेल मी कि ब्लॉग में लिखना होता है, वेबसाइट बनाना होता है, बट कहाँ एग्जैक्टली? इवन आई वांट टू स्टार्ट. और 2 recommendations, Wix and WordPress. Editing app you use for editing videos, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a very professional editing software. For pictures, I use PixArt, Snapseed, Photoshop sometimes, Lightroom even, and yeah, these are a few that I use to edit my pictures. How much time it takes to get approved from AdSense? Should take about a week or so. मेरे केस में 2 महीने लग गए थे बिकॉज बहुत ही स्टार्टिंग स्टेज था, बहुत सारे चैनल्स का मोनेटाइजेशन स्टार्ट होना था. सो दैट्स द रीज़न मेरे चैनल को 2 महीने लग गए थे, पर अब तो बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. इट शुड बी डन इन अ वीक और सो. हाउ टू चूज कॉन्टेंट एंड हाउ टू बी कैमरा फ्रेंडली? दिस इज एक्चुअली अ रियली गुड क्वेश्चन. सो हाउ टू चूज कॉन्टेंट, nobody can help you with that. You need to figure out yourself what niche works for you, what is your interest. Nobody can come and tell you ki start a food channel, start a travel channel, start a beauty fashion channel. It doesn't work that way. You have to figure out आपका interest किस field में है. For example, आपका interest है in languages, so you can start a channel where you can start teaching how to learn a certain language. Start with the basics, then go to the next step. You need to figure out what interests you, what niche you would like to create content around, because it's going to be you who will create videos, edit videos and run that particular channel. How to be a successful YouTuber? Being realistic and relatable is the key. Also, why brands are not approaching my channel? There's a high chance that you don't have enough followers or subscribers. Your content and quality isn't up to the mark. Of course, अगर brand आपको कुछ पैसे देगी to create content, in exchange they would want कि वीडियो की क्वालिटी अच्छी हो, अच्छे से बात करे, अच्छे से मेरे प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करे. सो रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाई ब्रांड्स आरंट अप्रोचिंग यू, focus on improving your content, which is very important right now, and I think that's the key. Don't think कि ब्रांड मुझे क्यों कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहा. ये सोचो कि आपके कॉन्टेक्ट में कुछ कमी होगी कि ब्रांड्स आपको कांटेक्ट नहीं कर रहे. So try improving that. How do you get all your sponsorships? I get it via emails. brands and agencies contact me via email. तो कभी agency मुझे contact करेगी and they will ask for my commercials and they'll say that they have a brand in mind that might want to work with me. So I will send over my commercials अगर brand को मेरे commercials सही लगे, and if they like my vibe, they like my channel, and if they would want to promote their product on my channel, they will go ahead with the collaboration. What really boosted your career as a content creator? My first viral video on YouTube, I would say, should be the makeup tutorial where I recreated one of Shreya Jain's makeup look and it just blew up. I did not expect that. मैंने literally अपने iPhone 6s पे वो वीडियो बनाई थी, पीछे एक black curtain था. If you're an old subscriber, you know what I'm talking about. And that video just blew up and it helped me gain a lot of subscribers and views, and that is when I started getting a lot of recognition. Okay, so now I'll start with my eye makeup. I have my tissue right here. मैंने इसको crumble कर दिया है. For my eyeshadow, I will be using this Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. It's an old one, काफी टाइम से पड़ा है मेरे पास. I will start by picking a blue color and stamp it right here in the outer corner of my eye. Next, I will use purple. Okay, I'll just zoom you guys a little. Then I'll use pink, orange, yellow. This is how my eyes look. It looks a little crazy, but once I am done applying mascara, lashes and everything, it should look good. I'll just complete the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll take a quick question. Creators do fake giveaway to increase engagement and followers. It's a yes or no answer. मैं किसी और के लिए तो नहीं बोल सकती, but if I talk about myself, you must have noticed I don't do unnecessary giveaways, which indicates that first I only give giveaways when I think I have achieved a milestone. For example, 100k YouTube हुआ, I did a giveaway. अभी 100k Instagram हुआ, I did a giveaway. Now branded giveaways जो होते हैं ना, वो brand के side से होता है, ठीक है? It's not something that I ask the brand कि मेरे लिए giveaway कर दो मेरे लिए कि मुझे followers बढ़ जाए. It's not like that. मेरी life में कुछ अच्छा होता है. I want to give back to you guys. I want to thank you guys. And it's a gesture from my side to thank you. But I don't know if you remember, I did a chain giveaway on Instagram. वो first time था and last time था. The purpose why we all did that chain giveaway was to increase engagement and followers. But that should be the worst decision of my life. अगर मेरे followers whoop करके ऊपर बढ़े हैं, after the giveaway ended मेरे whoop करके followers भी नीचे गिरे हैं. So I wouldn't recommend anybody to do chain giveaways. It's just useless. लोग आपको बस free products के लिए follow करते हैं and that's it. They don't give a shit about your work. They don't give a shit about your hard work. So I'm very particular whenever I'm doing giveaways. मैं से time pass में बस followers और ये सब gain करने के लिए नहीं करती. These are like really big lashes. Oh my god. They're like huge. It's been a minute I haven't applied such big lashes. It feels weird, but I think it looks nice with this look. How to negotiate with brands, like what to charge as creators in start. The way you can negotiate with brands is you need to sell your work. You need to tell them why are you charging this much. Tell them that your equipments are worth this much. Tell them that your content quality is really good. The best thing that you can show them with proof is that your engagement is good. How much the brand pays for any Instagram post or reel or story. I charge a different amount for different deliverable. So for a story, for example, I would charge around 10 to 30,000 if I am getting a really good brand that I generally want to work with and they don't have the budget. So if they have a budget of 40,000, I will get down to 40,000 because I generally want to work with them. So it's different for every brand. I would be like honest, like very honest. कभी कभी तो मैं barter भी कर लेती हूँ कई brands के साथ because I generally want to build that relationship and I want to genuinely work with the brand, so I do work on barter sometimes. The last question, which is, does being a YouTube next up creator help you to push your videos? Does YouTube help you with pushing? No, not at all. So when I was a part of YouTube creator camp, they did teach us how to create more engaging content, a few steps here and there that might help our videos to boost, but they were never partial. They definitely helped us to understand YouTube मच बेटर, बट उन्होंने कभी पार्शलिटी नहीं की कि ये हमारे यूट्यूब नेक्स्ट अपर्स हैं, हमें इनकी वीडियोस बूस्ट करनी चाहिए एंड दैट बिकॉज ये सब चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली होती हैं. Alright everybody, that's it for today's Q&A session. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talking about my makeup, I am in love. I love the way it turned out. It's like abstract something and it just looks like very pretty. It's so easy to do, and if you try it out, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys recreate this look. You can totally switch up the colors and do something of your own. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to check out the links of the products in the description box below, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.